Hello guys, welcome to AR Tutorials. Today is day 39 of solving Leetcode questions daily. Friends, yesterday I have taught you that how the linked list works, how the linked list looks like, how the structure it is, how the classes are made, how the data in next is made. I have taken a complete detailed video with all possible visualizations in yesterday's video, so I recommend you to please watch that video, and if you like that video, please do consider subscribing to my channel. It would be really helpful for me to grow, and a source of motivation would also be there that yes, my videos are being watched by some of the people. So if you are one of them, please do consider like, share and subscribing my channel. So friends, today we are going to solve a question. This question is very important and very basic question, because what we are going to do, we are taking an vector or an array and we are converting to the linked list. Now let me first define what is a linked list. Yesterday I have taught, but still I want a quick revision from you that linked list has, yes, two sectors. One is a data sector. I'll just change my color because it would be better. Okay, one is the data sector and one is the next. Now the next one is pointing to whom? The next one is pointing to the address of the next element. It is the next element with same data and next in it. It might be pointing to null. This is the linked list form. The first element is always called as the head. Yes, the first element of the linked list is always called as a head, and there is a pro tip I'll personally want to give you, that never ever tamper head, that never ever change the values of temp. If you are considering the first element as your head, please remain it as the head. You can take another variables and travels throughout the linked list. There would be no such problems. But if you change the head, it would be very difficult to recall what was the head in the previous if the sequence changes. So let's jump on to our I'll just write all the numbers 1 2 3 4 5. Just we'll see. So what we are going to make, we'll just take this and consider it as a head. And in yesterday's video I have took the code that what is basically required in all this stuff to make the nodes and what. So we'll just make a node point towards the head. Now we'll traverse from 1 to n. Now what we'll take, we'll just take each and every element, just mark it as the nodes, and we'll just form a connection between them. Once we form a connection between them, the automatically last one becomes null, and we'll point our head towards this and we'll be ready with our linked list. So let's quickly see the code because it's a very easy code. Now first I'll show you the exact what we are going to do. Okay, now this is the two parts. It is data and next, then it is a default constructor constructing the default value as the 0, and these are the parameter. This is type of an operator which when we I think there are some concept you might it might be very new to you, because this concept is basically from OOP, that is object oriented programming. This is basically the variable which points to the current variable or current object, sorry, whatever the current instance of the class would be, this would be pointing to that. Now what we'll do, we'll just this is our function. First we'll declare our head towards the 0th part. Now as I have told you, always never ever tamper the head. So we are taking a new head pointer. Whatever value we have stored in the head, we'll starting from that. We'll starting from 1 because 0 we have already considered as a head. So starting from 1 to the last one, what we'll do, we'll just take a temporary variable and we'll create the nodes. Now this is why ARR of I, because that will from 1 to 3 4 until to the end it will be creating the nodes, and whatever the mover was basically our head. So head of next would be the temp, that is this temp we are creating about. So let me show you what is this. First, now this is our head. We have made our head, we have assigned it. Now what was there, we have assigned mover. I'm just writing it shortcut. Now what has done, now first temp has made the element. Now here it was 1. I'll just change my color. Okay, this was 1, this was 1 from this array. Now we'll take 2. Now what we have 2, so by default it will be pointing to null, and similarly to here, but we have created the temp from this. Now what we'll do, mover of next. Now this is the mover of next was the address. Now it is the temp, and this is the temp with the one value. Okay, now what we will do, mover will shift to this mover. Simple. Now again this loop will go to the second index with the value 3. Now it will have 3 value. Now this mover of next will be temp, mover of next will be temp, mover will shift to this, and again this will follow until and unless you will reach towards the end of your array and you will find. So this easy code it was, and it is a very basic code. It will be never asked in interviews, but it will be requiring to solve many questions, because printing the arrays and printing the array making to the linked list is very important task. So let me compile it first. So this code might, yes, it is all okay code. So yes, I think it will give 100% accuracy. Yes, the accuracy is 100%. So thank you guys for watching this video. If you are new to this channel, please do consider like, sharing and subscribing to my channel and sharing with your friends. Thank you.